Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how to change Ubisoft account picture. Make changes with your Ubisoft account picture or your profile picture. Log in into your account by opening up a web browser, and then on the web address bar type in www.account.ubisoft.com. This is going to take you to the official web page of Ubisoft. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Make changes with your account information. It's quite simple. All you need to do is make sure that this particular feature is available. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to this kind of page. So over here, you need to go to account information, which is under account management. On the other side, there is profile picture. Underneath, you have this profile picture. So currently, I've not uploaded any profile pictures. So in order to make changes or maybe add a new profile picture, click on this pencil shape icon located right in the corner. This feature is going to allow you to create your own avatar or customize your own avatar. So you can see this is the category. So you have a multiple category. You tap on this arrow icon and then select the category accordingly. So, and according to the category, you'll be able to find the characters as well. So then to make your avatar, select the image or the picture and click on the choose button. As soon as you've done that, this particular profile has been set as a profile. And similarly, in order to make changes with the profile, just tap on this pencil shape icon and select either of these following characters. In this way, you can change Ubisoft account picture. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.